One of the things that may surprise you all, Madam's First Lady, is that the role of the First Lady has become much more political today. Many First Ladies often take on a portfolio, a policy portfolio. How did you all view the political role of the First Lady in terms of political parties? What were your thoughts on the political role?
Well, I will very quickly say for myself that the role of the First Lady should always be a role that supports the work of the presidency and the work of the people in some way, I would think. But myself, that is what is most important. Please, Mrs. Adams.
I had always been, I guess, a sounding board for my husband's politics. And indeed, when we first met, our courtship was based upon conversation, but conversation about the issues of the day. When we were in a room together, we were like steel and magnet, and we would fly together and thus remain engaged in conversation about the issues for the better part of every evening. And that did not change within our married life. I would indeed foment opinions, share them with him. And that is why I got termed Mrs. President, and it was not a compliment.
My husband, Mr. Madison, and I did have a beautiful marriage and friendship, I must say. When he was elected to office, his opponent was known to say that he might have had a better chance had he had he gone against Mr. Madison alone. For I found myself having conversations with anyone who would listen. At our squeezes, it was noted that while I was speaking with folks, that you could not tell if who I was speaking to was Mr. Madison's friend or foe. Because while there were and are different political parties, I found it much more important to learn the person that I was speaking to, so that they found a place to speak freely, to find those who agreed with their policies and politics and those who did not. But quite different from being on the House, they were able to speak in a more peaceful room, as there were ladies about.